Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back into my channel once again. Thì ngapa yang sumhai pi we barok sai senpat akan ka channel ka jonga. Ka step si baar ka basuk ka bakmen ni pi we barok. Thì hajing sya menta ka sngi la shai la shisngi hadu sni tho ding. Ngathrai nganam la ban pen ni ya ka vlog video and ray kidon hi ka to gane tali ki video ki bang ngala ban shoot and ringan chu palai kita te ngai ha kita yo ki ban wan kan sa don ka gap ka bang anom yo ban pen video na ka daw ka don ki guest ki bawan hapo jong kanika campus ka jongi college ka jongi te din na ka daw nganom la ban snai ka video la ni ka vlog te parlok kat bangan pat yo ban pen ya ka vlog ka batmai sobhadang ya pet ki video ki barim te ngan pani ya kita ki gas ki bawan rumah te okay tang ini ban nga hadu bukut jong kenika video ke pamatakas ni te ngan let show te gas menta shipang ni crash tang ngam let show te kin sawan sinesha campus kin sa ai ke jingkai na ka benta ki student te okay parlok Ti mentang alami ngan let show ki gas na tena po homestay man saya alami ki sinish po campus. Okay. Kena ketika lenti kebangan light ban show ya ki gas kicang ni ki ban mentakas ni te mentakasni ke dairu kasni yau umroi bypass ta kamot sibet nga hapwan yau hi wan thet jingthet wan siu na bentaka jingdang kam ka college oh ni scooty la dukan baher ha okay ini kami kerja lenti ia kini ke surak latip ia ke apa kerja BIP Road Henry Patshna Kabashna Menshwa Kalajat Kabamenta 4 dep te tip kin peniat biang nang ne nang no ne ngam tip rangaro ma kelas new hi kan ero okay kini ketika kenro jong ke airport ma Shillong airport kiong ibat kiong umroi airport dah ketika Shillong Airport mah. Ini ketika Shillong Airport. Tinggal apa ini Hadien bagi kesak mah. Hi, good morning. Tekini gede kita ki guest ki jongi mah. Ki ada ni. Wei, te wei bet ni wei. Okay. Ni dia te main guest event sa hikai ki student ki jongi. Ini ba parlok bayawan lang. Okay. Ni pet parlok ni gerkam sina nang no kerkam makirap yo tit skum kanya kanya teruk sinero isubon ha kila ya snah ha kene kerkam mo skum ta fendo en fi ma okay Unsa mi utet mah, unsa mi utet na gitu. Skom, ini skom mah. Ni skom na ni, unsa mi utet. Ha. Okay.
We have to deal with English or Hindi, so maybe English will be better than Hindi. So, my name is Diwas Lama. I'm from Darjeeling, and maybe some of you will be going in our place. It's so wonderful to be here. Sir Yumandi is a mentor to me. He was from before, and through him I was introduced to Lakeview College, where Morris and we studied together. Morris was a big brother there. He was a bully person there. So, so I was a junior. So we shared a room for almost 2 years. So I know him. He's not a fun person to be with, but still I barely hang on with him till 2 years, and now I got to meet him again. So he's quite changed now. Thank you for this time, and I'm married. I have a son and a daughter. I'm a pastor in my area. We have a training called Ignite, and I teach in different places, in different countries. I train especially in Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and it's a privilege for me to be with you all. And with me, I have my brothers here. 12 brothers with me as my disciple. I believe really in discipling people, because like what we need to do is to disciple people. So 2 of my brothers are here. So he's Abhinay, so he is Abhinay, and he's maybe you can introduce to him later on. And he's a brother who comes from a Buddhist background. He was a monk for almost 8 years, and he left the monastery and now has become followers of Christ. And he's really pursuing Jesus, and he's helping us in ministry, and he's a part of our ministry. And brother is here, maybe you can talk to him later. And he's also a part of our ministry. He just has done several courses, and he's having a house church in the hills of Kalimpong. Both are not married. Right or wrong? Is it right?
Yes, you understand or not? Yes, okay. So
They
you'll
can teach you.
yeah, so they will teach me. Good.
Nomor kita
Which language is this?
Malah Malahi lenong menekong dekat bakat wei. Nadu bumi kasni, adu banser kasni, baro kecaj benriu, baro kibriu pertai. Keketek kerai, kalong kabahalor tampe. Kumno, ucisu om, ngantai yahabalang jonga. Nama kata hilet mapi, syak pertai. Kelolong kerat iki, tulisan iki, ikai, kumbang yo yalade.
Thank you. This is the second is the gospel. It's basically the seed. The seed is the gospel. Okay, you're putting on the seed, and we call this seed or gospel like 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is the gospel. Okay, what is the gospel? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Can you show me? 2, 3, 4. What's the gospel? 2, 3, 4. Sometimes people will think to share gospel is to share the Bible. See, Bible is very vast, like from Old Testament to New Testament, and knowing everything is very difficult. Like it would be difficult for new people. But sharing gospel is not sharing Bible. It is the gospel. So gospel is the story of Christ who has come, who has died, and who has resurrected, and who will come to take us. So that is the story. So basically here is two means two stories or two testimonies. Okay? Two testimonies. Our story has three parts. Our story has three parts. So this three part is, see, two means there are two stories in gospel. One story is about you, and another story is about Jesus. Three means our story has three parts. How you were before you met the Lord, before Christ. How you came to know the Lord, or how you came to know Christ, and how are you today? Okay, basically three parts of our story. Our story has three parts. So your previous life, how you met, the event, and how you are today. So basically three parts of your whole life. So this is what we call testimony, and this testimony has to be within 3 minutes. How many minutes? 3. You can make a story of your story. You can make a movie of your story. Okay, you got my point? So when you talk about this part, how you met Jesus, then that is the part when you are going to talk about that incident. Then